How to install ViPER4Android on Android 13. First things first, you have to install the audio modification library. After doing that, you flash the ViPER4 for Android. Then you reboot your device. After the device finish rebooting, you go to the software, the app of ViPER4 for Android. Grant the permission and grant the super user permission. It's going to reboot itself and install the driver as necessary. After reboot is done, you go to gear option and click on enable legacy mode and also enable the master limiter, which is basically the power button. But Viper won't work perfectly yet. Last thing you need to do is to flash the Android 13 fixed files for the Viper FX. Then reboot once again. I'm using Evolution X Android 13 on this maybe not 10 Pro. So this is how you get it to work on your Android 13. That'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching.